10th August 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. Bangladesh has took a decision to construct a monument for the Indian soldiers. The country will establish monument for the Indian soldiers who died in 1971 during the Bangladesh struggle for independence from Pakistan. The announcement was made by the Bangladesh War Liberation Minister Mozammel Haq. Next. A line of credit of worth 18 million US dollars has been extended by the Government of India to the Government of Maldives. The line of credit has been extended with the primary objective of expanding the fishing facilities at Maldives Industrial Fisheries Company MIFCO. Next. A state of environmental emergency has been declared by the island nation of Mauritius. The environmental emergency has been declared as a Japanese bulk carrier MV Wakashio ran aground on a reef in Mauritius and began leaking oil into the ocean. The ship, stranded 2 weeks ago, is leaking tons of fuel into the surrounding waters. Next. Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC will open the Silk Training cum Production Center in the tribal village of Chulyu in Arunachal Pradesh. This would be the first silk training cum production center in the state. Machinery like handlooms, charkha, silk reeling machine and warping drums would be installed in the training cum production center. Next. India's homegrown e-commerce marketplace Flipkart has signed an Memorandum of Understanding with One District, One Product ODOP scheme of the Government of Uttar Pradesh. The Memorandum of Understanding will bring the artisans, weavers and craftsmen under the ODOP scheme into the scope of the Flipkart Samarth initiative. This will provide artisans, weavers and craftsmen under the ODOP scheme a momentum to expand their business online as they face social and economic challenges. Next. The study conducted by Bombay Natural History Society has found 77 new species of butterflies in the ecologically sensitive forest of Matheran Hill Station in Mumbai. With this, the total number of butterfly species in the forest has gone up to 140. Next. The Indian Railways is to observe Cleanliness Week between August 10, 2020 and August 15, 2020. This week will give the message of significance of cleanliness. Next. On August 10, 2020, the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Shapath. The scheme aims to shift India towards local manufacturing and aid Make in India initiative. The idea of the scheme is to give importance to domestic production in the country. The idea of observing a week will provide impetus to Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Next. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India recently announced that sale of junk and unhealthy food should be restricted within 50 meters schools and education institutions. The FSSAI has made the announcement to provide safe foods and balanced diet to children in schools. The foods referred to as HFSS, that is high in fat, salt and sugar, cannot be sold in mess premises or school canteens. The Ministry of Textiles has disbanded All India Powerloom Board after All India Handicrafts and Handloom Boards. Also, all the 8 textiles research associations in the country will now cease to be affiliated bodies of the ministry. The textile research associations will now act as approved bodies to conduct tests, researches, and development activities of textile sector. The decision has been made to stick to the principle of minimum government, maximum governance. Now, it is time for some facts. Today, we will learn about our atmosphere and its several layers. The atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds Earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on Earth. There are 5 layers in the structure of the atmosphere depending upon temperature. These layers are 1. Troposphere, 2. Stratosphere, 3. Mesosphere, 4. Thermosphere, 5. Exosphere. Now, few points about each of the layers. Troposphere. It is considered as the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. The troposphere starts at surface of the Earth and goes up to a height of 7 to 20 km. All weather occurs within this layer. This layer has water vapor and mature particles. Temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meter of height. Tropopause separates troposphere and stratosphere. Stratosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere found above the troposphere. It extends up to 50 km of height. This layer is very dry as it contains little water vapor. This layer provides some advantages for flight because it is above stormy weather and has steady, strong horizontal winds. The ozone layer is found in this layer. The ozone layer absorbs UV rays and safeguards Earth from harmful radiation. Stratopause separates stratosphere and mesosphere. Mesosphere. The mesosphere is found above the stratosphere. It is the coldest of the atmospheric layers. The mesosphere starts at 50 km above the surface of Earth and goes up to 85 km. The temperature drops with altitude in this layer. By 80 km, it reaches minus 100 degrees Celsius. Meteors burn up in this layer. The upper limit is called mesopause, which separates mesosphere and thermosphere. Thermosphere. This layer is found above mesopause for 80 to 400 km. Radio waves which are transmitted from the Earth are reflected back by this layer. The temperature increases with height. Aurora and satellites occur in this layer. Ionosphere. The lower thermosphere is called ionosphere. Ionosphere consists of electrically charged particles known as ions. This layer is defined as the layer of the atmosphere of Earth that is ionized by cosmic and solar radiation. It is positioned between 80 and 40 km above the mesopause. Exosphere. It is the outermost layer of atmosphere, the zone where molecules and atoms escape into space is mentioned as exosphere. It extends from the top of the thermosphere up to 10,000 km. So with this, we will conclude our episode for today. Thank you all.